Welcome to JH. Here is how to create a fade-in effect in Premiere Pro 2023. It is a very straightforward process, and I will demonstrate using this specific clip as our example. To begin, double-click the empty area located between the eye icon and your video track. This action expands the track view, revealing the opacity line across your footage. This horizontal line manages the transparency of your clip. Pulling it downward decreases the opacity toward 0, while dragging it upward increases it back to 100%. To set up the actual fade, hold down the Command key on a Mac or the Control key if you're using Windows. You will notice a small plus sign appear next to your cursor. Click on the line to create two distinct keyframe points. Once these are set, release the modifier key and drag the first point down to the very bottom corner at the start of the clip. Now, as you scrub through the beginning of the video, you can see the fade-in effect is active. If you want this transition to last longer, simply grab the second point and slide it further to the right. This stretches the fade, making the visual transition much more gradual over time. That is the entire process for adding a professional fade-in to your video project. If this guide was helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.